So guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're fine. Welcome back to the
Carson family.
Yeah. So guys, this is what happened today. We were just home and it's been raining for hours and hours. When was it? Last year when we came to this.
Yes, last year.
Here.
Just stay here one sec. Yes, last year when we came here, it was right after the biggest flood in Hyderabad in like 100 years, and now it's been raining like almost the same amount.
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna head out and we're gonna check out and see what's going on, see if people are safe, and see if, what's going on out in the city right now with all this rain.
Yeah, so that time we missed everything. I don't know, we hadn't started like vlogging with our YouTube channel, so like it was, the news were everywhere worldwide. So today we really want you guys to see what happens in this place when it rains. But look at how this place is covered with water, like we're standing in the rain. There's an umbrella, see? Oh my god, the
look at
camera
this car coming.
Yeah, so look at this car, guys. Look at, oh my god.
I like it. Look at this, guys, like, and you can see like so much water here.
Yeah, look at the lady.
She's trying to get through.
I think they picked her, don't you think?
Yeah. Here they come.
Uh-oh, hi! Hello, sorry about the rain. Bye-bye. These ones are colored, they're cute, right? The ones that are
Those
black
are dairies.
Yeah, I like those ones.
Yeah, the black and white ones like that are dairy cows.
Yeah,
Those ones produce milk.
they're so cute. What do you have to say about that scent? What do you think about cows?
They're very good and nice.
They are very good and you like eating them?
Yeah, I just like eating cows.
Oh, you don't eat them? You've never eaten them?
No, people don't eat cows.
Oh my god! Good girl. Yeah, we don't eat animals, right?
Yeah.
They're so cute and sweet and tasty.
They don't eat animals.
I thought she wouldn't understand that taste.
They're yummy, no?
They don't eat.
How about chickens? Do we eat chickens?
Nope.
We don't eat chickens.
Nope.
No.
What do we eat?
We eat only food.
What kind of food?
Rice and beans.
Ah, what about, don't you like KFC?
Calves is a good
Yeah. Isn't that chicken?
meat. Nope.
Saint, you know KFC is your favorite? So what do they make out of? Whatever?
How do they make that?
Like fish with fries and cooked it.
And chicken.
No. They don't eat chicken too.
What about chicken wings? You eat chicken wings?
Nope.
So no KFC for you again?
I'll have a KFC, not chicken wings.
But you know that KFC is chicken, right?
Really, Daddy? I say they don't eat chicken.
So guys, this is like full water here. Like we're driving on the inside, but the outside is like we would be like carried away. You can see our waves already in this. It's like crazy.
Come and watch me.
So guys, it's still raining
It's crazy.
since last night, and now it's like, what time is it?
It's like
It's in the
7
evening,
o'clock.
7 o'clock, it's still raining. So we've rushed at this place. Warren found it. I don't know how he found it, but it's cool. It's a sports bar.
Yeah, sports bar, yeah.
Yeah, sports bar. So we're gonna try the food out because it's really like so hard here in India to find this kind of places. So we
Yeah.
are excited about that. So
Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, so this is Buffalo Wild Wing, Western type of restaurant, and its layout is very similar to what it is back home in Canada or in the US. So menu is almost identical. So yeah, we're excited to check it out and see what it's like.
yeah. So I'm gonna have buffaloes. Steak.
Buffalo.
How do you say?
Buffalo.
Buffalo steak. Let me put say it in the video. She has been complaining. What do you want to tell your people, Saint?
It's been raining all day and she started raining again and again.
This is our Surya, the guy that drives us everywhere. He comes anytime.
So we should do which food we wanted. So
What did you choose?
I choose rice
You look here.
and chicken.
You know these people miss you, so you have to be looking at them. When
You choose.
cooking.
Well, look. You choose rice and chicken.
It's but they don't eat chicken.
You said you eat chicken and the cow.
Yeah.
I don't eat animals, and I don't eat animals.
But you like KFC, right?
I like KFC.
And
So
Mom?
KFC is a good
Chicken.
idea to eat.
It's a good chicken, right?
Really, Mom? I just said they don't eat chicken.
Okay, so you're a vegetarian, right? You don't eat chicken, you don't eat cow, people who don't eat meat, who don't eat
No
chicken,
animals,
they-
just vegetables.
They are vegetarians. Actually, we have some here for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember that video that you did when you were wearing my outfits, my shoes, my wig, and you were modeling?
Do you remember, Saint? When you were wearing Mommy's clothes?
So that video, remember you said you want thousands and thousands of people to watch it?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Now they're watching it right
They
now.
watched it. And
More than 1,000 views, Saint, on your
Can you
video.
tell people this? Thank you for watching my video.
Thank you for watching my video.
Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching Saint's video. I think, I don't know, is she excited?
Yes, but she's just
She's just
overexcited.
hungry, waiting for food, and
Yeah.
she can't really focus right now.
Yes.
But thank you so much for the likes, comments, for the views. Guys, keep watching her video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yeah,
And thumbs up.
yeah. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna show you when they bring the food. And then we're gonna eat. Oh, honey, I'm
Yeah.
actually having like a cocktail.
Mm-hmm.
And then Warren is having a Corona. And Saint is having mixed fruit juice. Let me help you think.
Are you beating him up, Dave? Get him, hit him, push the button. Oh. Get him, Saint. Oh, you're kicking him. Good job. Uh-oh. Oh, you almost got him. Oh my goodness, Saint. You won? Can you believe that?
You want to play another game?
I'm right here, okay? Alright.
Guys, Saint is trying to get us subscribers. Oh my god. Did she just show off her light? Whatever her light shoes. So guys, we are done eating here. This was really amazing and it was really a lot, to the extent that we are taking some of it at home as takeaway. And this is the guy who works on us. What's your name?
Anthony.
VJ Anthony. Yeah, so it was really amazing and it's really nice thing. Right? Yeah, so you guys should come and check this place out. It's really nice. The food is amazing. The services are so good.
Thank you.
It's a recommendation. Yes. Hey. Okay guys, we are eating. Let me show you. Let me show you around.
Come and watch me.
So guys, they actually have a club upstairs too. I think that will be for another day. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, girl! Yeah. Hope you don't mind drinking our video. No? Okay. Happy birthday. Yeah. Bye.
I love you. Hey, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, I need some love. I need some love. I need some love. I need some kind of love. Kampala to Canada, Jamaica and Warren. Wish words and laugh. That's some family. Hey, baby, boo, boo. Yeah, everything is fun when I'm with you. Hey, got no time for different. Hey, and you're sweet like a pineapple. I need you, love. I need you, love. Hey, all I need is your loving. Yeah.